Hello, this is Theo Marshall, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Sailfish 2020 241 center console. Starting at the stern here, we have a Yamaha 4-stroke 250 horsepower engine with your live well on the port side, rod holders, tow post, and your boarding ladder up on the starboard side. Here in the aft you have a nice 2-person bench seat, very comfortable. Right in front is your helm seat. We have your helm, switches, fusion stereo, throttle, Garmin screen, compass. Up at the hardtop here, you'll notice more rod holders along with some storage space. As we make our way up, here in the center console, you have your head, along with additional storage space, and a nice spot to stow your bow table. Up at the bow, you have deep seating, with of course storage under the cushions in both the starboard and port side. All the way up, you have your anchor hold, and you'll notice another comfortable seat right up on the center console. Again, this is the Sailfish 2020 241 center console. For any additional questions or any information, please feel free to give us a call at 617-288-1000. Thank you. Have a great day.